Guys, it's Lori Ballen in Las Vegas here, Las Vegas Lori, and I'm bringing you another training. Today I'm going to show you a very basic video on how to add contacts to command. So a lot of us have been waiting to get started. Today I want to show you how to add a contact very simply. You can watch my other videos if you need to see how to add a custom lead source, import contacts, but let's keep this really basic today. So I've logged in to command, and how I did that is I just go to agent.kw.com. That's agent.kw.com. Here's your dashboard, and we're just going to go in here to contacts. Up here on the right hand side, you have the ability to add a contact. So let's go ahead and click add a contact. I am going to add my brother in here, Jeff Helvin. And we'll put in his business address, COO@ballenbrands.com. Work. Okay, a mobile number. All right, now we can mark him as a lead. We can add him to a sales pipeline. Okay, right now this is just we'll call him a lead. Why not call him a lead? Put him in there as a lead. Then you have the ability to use tags. Okay, so you've got some tags that are in here by default. And then in my case, I've also started adding custom tags as well. So you've got that ability here. If I wanted to add something here like family member, I can do that and then create a custom tag. Or if I want to just put him in as a sphere of influence, I could do it, the abbreviation that way, SOI, or I can look at what's already in there. So Allied Resources Associate, Buyer, Downline, Kelly. I'm trying to look and see if there's anything already in there for Sphere of Influence, and I don't see anything. I'm just getting rolling with this myself here. So I'm going to go ahead and put in an SOI, Sphere of Influence. Create custom tag. If you want to use color tag coordinator, you can. If you click the little plus, you can add more information after that. So we could choose a color. So let's say I want to make sure that all of my referral partners are green, or all of my sphere of influence is purple. I can use tags. We'll get into that more later. Additional contact information. So we can add more email, phone, text, or do not contact. So if this is somebody that has completely unsubscribed, is a dead lead for whatever reason. All right, additional email. I could put in another email. Additional phone. I could put in an additional phone. I can put in his address, and then I can put in his social profile. So I could go up here to Facebook and find his Facebook and put in a URL. We've got Twitter, Instagram, LinkedIn, Pinterest, Google+, which is gone, right? Snapchat, House, Link, and then here we can add the next profile, and then the next profile, and the next profile, okay? Then we have the About section, which I think this is really nice. So legal name. So maybe you're calling him Jack and his real name is Jackson. You know, you could put in the legal name. Description. Now this is going to be great for like how you met this person, you know, met at Mega Camp Convention, chatted for 15 minutes about new KW technology, you know, whatever notes you want to make, or where the lead came in through, contact info. We've got birthday, home anniversary. So obviously this is for somebody when they buy or sell a home with you. And then we have relationships. So we have spouse, father, mother, son, daughter, brother, sister, sibling, parent, child, sibling of a parent, child of sibling. Oh my goodness. We got all the family. Okay, so that's cool. Then we'll be able to see those relationships. Then we have work. So where do they work? So in this case, Jeff works, let's see, job title is CEO. Sales pipeline, captured and connected. I'm going to get into sales pipeline in another separate video so we don't make this one too long. And then custom, if you wanted to add any custom fields, you can do that here as well. Then we're going to go ahead and create. Oh, this is great. So I've already got Jeff in the system. So the email tells me we already have him in the system. please select continue to override. So we can dismiss this or we can continue. So let's go ahead and continue, and then it will go ahead and add him into the system today. So that's the very simple way that you can add a contact to command. We're going to talk about filtering leads in. We're going to talk about importing and all of that in other videos. But this is just simple, how you add a contact to KW command. I'm Lori Ballen, Las Vegas Lori with Lori Ballen Team.